Hello guys, I teach you how to make a table in Minecraft. Only this version. It's the snapshot version. So 15 51 double. Hello. Let's start. Make a table. Let's make it larger. Full size. Ready? Here we go. Oops. What you'll need is some whatever you want to paint. Some carpet. Choose two colors. I'll choose red and blue. Then you must get blue. Oh, get this one red blue. Let's make in here. First, put some wool there where we're gonna put our fence. Right there. Like this. Then what's the wool color here? Just make it the same with the carpet. Okay, like this. Oops. Okay, and our table color is blue. If you see, put a carpet on a carpet, it floats. That is my style. It, a table in Minecraft. Please subscribe, like my video, but sorry if I didn't English properly. Thank you, bye.